You know, Luddy may be right this time. I did think of having a do for the whole district. But I'm not certain Dane would want that. I mean, I think it's best to wait and talk to him first. He said so little in his letter. Mind you, Bob and Jack did say he seemed very happy about coming home.
You don't seem quite as thrilled as I thought you would be somehow.
Oh, Anne, I am. Of course I am. It's just that... Well, I hope it's what he really wants. I hope he's not just doing it for my sake. When he went to Ralph, I vowed that I would never try to influence him.
Is that the reason you didn't go to Rome? Which, by the way, I personally haven't forgiven you for.
I know. Nor has Jessie, or the boys, or Mum. Although I think at least she understands it. It's just that I felt it would be tempting fate to go. Or tempting God.
Oh, Maggie, how absurd.
I know, I know. Fancy what Jessie would make of it. But I fought God so hard for so long that I wanted to show him finally that I could accept the fact that Dane and Ralph are his, not mine. I sacrificed the chance to go in hopes of making peace with God at last.
Don't question why Dane is coming home. Take it as a sign of peace. Fee. What's the matter?
Mom? What is it?
Mickey. Dane is dead.
Oh, Mom. No. He's coming home.
Jessie telephoned. He drowned. He was trying to save somebody. He's dead.